Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into NETGEAR. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer. And in the top section over there, type down netgear.com and enter it after you're done. And after that, you'll get into the official homepage of the NETGEAR. And in the top right corner, we could see there this profile icon. Select that and click in the sign in option. After that, you'll get into an interface like this of the account login where you are required for your email address. Simply type down your email address and your password as well. And after that, if you have forgotten your password, you can also click in this option that says forgot password in order to recover or reset it. And after that, click on the NETGEAR sign in option and then you'll be successfully logged in to your NETGEAR account. And this is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.